Hello and welcome to Magical Maiden's Jewelry Tutorials. I'm Magical Maiden, and today I have a jewelry tutorial featuring one of the products that I have shown you in my unboxing review from BB Craft. Now if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it at the end screen as well as below. And also I will have a special link to this item that goes straight to BB Craft. It's a special link, and I'll also have a 10% off discount code of your total order. So that'll be a 10% discount code as well below in the description box. And I will again link the unboxing and review that I did. I go more into detail on these items here, and for time's sake, I'm not going to go too deep into that. I'm just going to show you what you can create with these beautiful products. So please, if you're not subscribed, do that now. Click the notification bell, and remember to look below this video in the description box for the discount code and all the links, and I'll remind you towards the end of this video. And please share this with anyone you know that might be interested. So with that, let's begin. Okay, so I got these beautiful amethyst crystal point pendants, or you could turn them into earrings. So these are them, and I'm going to put them down. Now they do vary in color. As you know, amethyst have different hues on them and coloring effects. So you do get a whole bunch here. 12 of these bullet point amethyst crystals. So that is a really nice option to get. I'm just gonna make sure you're getting this. Look at those. And some are deeper purple, some are lighter, some have a tinge of gray, some have a tinge of light, like sagey green. So they are going to vary. So what we're going to do is I'm going to pick out the most similar ones to make some earrings. So these two are a lot alike, and we could pick from those. But I want one with a little purple. Now earrings don't have to be twins. They just have to be sisters. So if they're not exactly, that's okay. This is a crystal after all. But I picked ones that are the most similar, and I hope you're getting that. And what I'm going to do is you're going to need your cutting tools, your jewelry working tools, and some wiring. So I'm just going to cut a piece of wire. You're going to need some earring fish hooks, any kind that you prefer. And then what I'm going to do is, because you'd need a really big jump ring. These do have holes, and you see I'm putting that in there. So you can get a really large jump ring and do that, or you can get a wire. And then what I'm going to do with this wire is you can use your jewelry working tools or your finger, and then I'm going to do that and wrap it around a few times. And then I'm going to cut the excess off. If you're seeing that, I'm going to go ahead and cut the excess off. And with my jewelry working tools, I'm going to flatten the piece that sticks up. And then with my round nose pliers, I am going to make a loop. But this is a little long, so I am going to just trim a little the excess off, because really I only need the loop so I can put my earring fish hook around it. So it doesn't have to be a very large loop. You're going to make a little loop, and then what you're going to do is you're going to attach your earring fish hook to the end loop. It's very simple. I'm going to do another one. Okay, there it is. I have a nice set of amethyst earrings there. And they're similar, and you can really wear them anywhere you want, and they're going to look really cute on pretty pair of nice earrings. And you don't just have to make earrings with these. You can make anything you want with these. A little wire, a couple of jump rings. Even if you wanted to use a cording type necklace, you could as well. You could definitely use that. And there's so many. They'd make a pretty necklace. You could just use one, or you can get a bunch of them and put them on like a choker. So that's just one of the ideas that you can do if you want to use these. And again, the special link will be below, as well as my discount code and the link to the video of my unboxing or review, and you can find that below, all those links and my discount code for 10% off your total order, as well as you can find the unboxing review on my review playlist on my channel. So please remember to subscribe, click the notification bell, because I'm going to have more tutorials using the items that I showed you in the unboxing review from BB Crafts. So again, remember to share this with anyone that you might find that would be interested, and look for those links below. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in my videos. Bye.